Hello there, how was your week? On the previous lesson, we started learning how to draw lines and textures. Last week I had a little art market intermezzo, but this week we're going straight back to lesson 3, which is we're gonna take a look into perspective. Welcome to Back to Basics, where I invite you to join me as I relearn drawing basics. So whether you're a beginner or you're just looking for something to practice, let's do it together. Perspectives are, to put it simple, a way to make your 2D drawings look 3D. There's like a few terms that you might want to know. Horizon line. This is like your eye level. It determines how high or how low the angle of your picture is. So like it also determines if we're looking down or looking up or directly to the object that we're drawing. Finishing points are where all the edges of our lines will eventually meet. 1-point perspective, you use it if you want to draw an object but be able to like move its positions, like right, left, up, down. It's ideal if your drawing is in like a space and the camera, which is like how the viewer sees your drawing, is facing the wall of that space. The cons for using 1-point perspective is that it is limited to 1 point, just like its name. Imagine this is like your object. You can move it any position you want, but you can't rotate them. What do you do if you want to rotate them? We're gonna use 2-point perspective. In 2-point perspective, the front and side planes can be facing here or there. The top would be flat, while the bottom would usually be more pointy. Okay, that's it for today's practice. How did yours go? I hope that once you start doing it, you figure out that perspective isn't all that scary big word, right? Take note that by practice, all these things will eventually become intuitive and natural. If you did follow along on today's lesson, good job! Continue practicing and I'll see you next time. Bye!